Hi, Kirsten. I just wanted to respond to your journal entry this week about working with the ladies in the transitional living program for your field work placement. And I definitely think it is just a great work that you're doing, and love to hear how you were able to minister to that young woman about the situation that she was dealing with, and perhaps just looking at a better way that she could have handled the situation. And it kind of caught my attention because I work with men in an addiction recovery program, and my group topic this week was balancing employment or work and recovery. And we just kind of got on the subject of how to deal with difficult people in the workplace, or how to handle conflicts in the workplace. And I definitely thought it was needed for that population that I work with, because a lot of times they may not have a lot of work history, or even a positive work history because of past drug abuse. And one of my clients, he said he was in and out of jail so much that he never really kept a job for over probably 6 months. So I definitely think it was just much needed to focus on that, and just kind of talk about some work ethic, and like I said, how to deal with conflict and things like that is what we got into in our discussion. But I just pray, as as you said, that that employer would kind of cool off, and hopefully allow other women to have the opportunity to to work in his establishment, because there are so many times that a lot of employers don't even want to give you know people that are trying to reintegrate back into society that second chance that they so desperately need. So I pray that situation does work out, and maybe even the ladies that had the conflict, maybe if they were to offer a heartfelt apology, he might consider that, and soften his heart as well. So yeah, that is something that that I definitely focus on with the clients that I work with, trying to help them to find jobs and integrate back in the community. But I find sometimes that their past definitely or their ways of communicating, or lack of good communication skills sometimes lead to different conflicts, and they just need um, the right counsel and the right tools of how they can better solve problems, and make good decisions and make good choices, especially when when they get angry. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I definitely enjoyed reading your journal entry, and pray that everything continues to go well in your field placement. Okay, thank you. Have a good evening.